Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my favorite look for the fall. I do have this kind of like preferences in my makeup depending on the season. I noticed that, for example, in the summer, I focus more on the skin because I love my skin to be bronzy and glowy. Not so much focusing on like the colorful aspect because I feel like I overcompensated with accessories, so clothing pieces that are like more loud and appropriate for the summer. But in the fall, I love to add more color to my makeup, and lately I've been really loving focusing on the lips because I feel like the older I get, the less I love heavy, like very loud makeup, especially eye makeup. And I find that not very heavy eye makeup is more flattering for me for my particular face type or like facial features. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be starting with the Guerlain's Lure. It's the Radiance Concentrate Makeup Base with pure gold. You guys, this is something incredible. I know it's pricey, but if you can, please save up some more or give a hint to your loved ones, you know, for your birthday or for any kind of occasion, and get this product because this is absolutely amazing. First of all, I love how it makes my skin look because, you know, as it gets colder, you can definitely see how your skin loses its radiance. This product definitely helps my skin to look very fresh, adds that kind of healthy glow, and it definitely helps with my fine lines. And I've been using it for a while, you guys, and I really love it. I was lucky enough to get it from Guerlain. On top of everything, I definitely noticed this kind of firming effect that it gives to my skin. So now I'm using it as a primer, but I love using it just on my clean face after I take a shower, and I definitely try my best to use it on a daily basis, and I see like the before and after. So I feel like this is definitely a must-have. As far as gold in your skincare, please do more research. The benefits of it are incredible. Again, I know it's pricey, but I think it's definitely a win in the long run. Next, I'm going to be using the amazing concealer, the Illuminate one from Amazing Cosmetics. I love it. I love the hydrating effect that it gives to my skin, and I love the coverage that it gives. So I'm just gonna be applying it on my inner corners and a little bit underneath my eyes. Next, I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm gonna soak it in Evian facial spray. If you watched my favorites video, you know this is what I've been loving to do. I feel like there's definitely a difference when you just soak it under running water or when I use the Evian spray. Now, the only reason I'm doing this is because I find that my skin around my eyes is very veiny. Like I can definitely like see my veins through the, if you know what I mean. So in that sense, it definitely adds this sort of like darkness, and I try to hide it using a concealer. I'm gonna set it ever so slightly using Inglot's translucent powder. So this kind of sets the concealer in place and takes away any unnecessary shine. And I love this powder because it's so finely milled. It doesn't add any more coverage. It just adds that kind of like mattifying effect. Next, I usually fill in my eyebrows using the IT Cosmetics Universal, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's a Universal Taupe. The shade is Universal Taupe. I just brush my eyebrows upwards and then fill in a little bit the arch, as you can see, like wherever I feel like I need more definition or like wherever I want my eyebrows to look fuller. Alright, nothing more. Lately, I've just been loving to keep my eyebrows as natural as possible. I don't get them done. I just let them grow, and this is what I have. This is not something I do all the time, but whenever I feel, like for example right now I'm quite pale, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of bronzer. This is my all-time favorite Hoola bronzer. I feel like it's been for years. I just love this shade so much, and I feel like it definitely is the perfect shade for my skin tone. Like not too cool, not too warm. So I'm using the brush that it comes with, and I'm just first kind of like structuring it, contouring if you will, and then I'm just dragging it a little bit upwards to warm up my face. Next product for me is kind of like blush and highlighter in one. This is the Pure Nude highlighter from Essence, number 10, Be My Highlight. Looks pretty much kind of like more towards matte complexion, as you can see, matte finish. But when I apply it on my skin, I feel like it opens up and adds this beautiful highlighting effect. And as you can see, it is more towards, it definitely has some color to it, like it adds this rosy kind of more natural glow. I'm being very generous with it. I apply it like on the apples of my cheeks, and then I kind of like tone it down a little bit using Clean Beauty Blender. Next, I'm gonna be doing a very quick makeup for my eyes. I just like to add some definition. I did talk about this tiny Maybelline palette. This is the City Mini palette from Maybelline in Downtown Sunrise. And I've been loving to use just this kind of champagne color. And I just use my ring finger and I apply it all over my lid and a little bit in the inner corner too. So just kind of like, it almost doesn't add any color, but it adds this kind of beautiful, healthy shine to your eyelid. Next, I'm just gonna apply mascara. This is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Mascara. I love it so much. I love how it makes my eyelashes super long, super voluminous and black. As you can see, it has this kind of like slightly curved wand, so it curls up your eyelashes beautifully. Alright, so I do skip my lower lashes lately just because I find, I don't know, I kind of go like back and forth in between whether I love to coat my lower lashes when I do my makeup or not, because when I skip it, I feel like it only emphasizes my upper lashes even more and it adds this kind of like doll-like effect. So yeah, just the upper lashes for today. Alright, now for my lips, if it's a day makeup, I would definitely go for something like, for example, Buxom's liquid lipstick in Centerfold. This is a very warm, like a taupey color. These are my favorite for the fall. Something like this. Okay, let me just put it on. It doesn't make sense. Let me put it on. I would love to show you how it looks, like the full makeup look. Again, this is Buxom Liquid Lip in Centerfold. I love these kind of more deeper but super warm colors. I feel like they suit everyone regardless of your skin tone, your hair, if you're blonde or brunette, whatever. I feel like going for shades like this is definitely a win. But if it's a night out or something like this, I feel like this is the time of year not to be afraid to go even more bold, even more statement making, I would say. And I've been loving this shade by Dior. This is the Range Rouge Dior lipsticks in 962. Now, as you can see, this is a very deep plum color. It almost, I see it in the camera, it almost looks like it's black. But this is definitely something I can wear during fall and not be afraid. Well, I feel like you should never be afraid to wear whatever shade you want, but as you can see, without heavy eye makeup, just making a statement on your lip makes the look kind of more organic. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I love sharing my favorite products with you and how I do my makeup. Follow me on all of my socials, links are down below, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!